This is the way. Tuscans think they're the locals. Everyone else is just trespassing. I can bring you in warm, or I can bring you in cold. What's your name? It seems like a straightforward operation. I don't suppose anybody here speaks droid. You stay right here. You stay. Don't move. You understand? Step aside. I'm going to my ship. You take the first watch. Just like the good old days. I like those odds. I've got 500 Imperial credits. I'll get you your money. I could use a crew member of your ability, and I can pay handsomely. I don't know if you heard, but the Empire is gone. I'm a Mandalorian. Weapons are part of my religion.